I got this question in Singapore. Why did you guys build on Cardano? And it's like, well, Cardano is really, really uniquely suited for this kind of thing. Yeah, so scaling solutions, they come in a few different shapes and sizes, right? So you have the scaling solutions that touch layer one. So Laos, for example, is a very big name in that space at the moment. Peras, sort of, conjunctual to that. You also have layer two scaling solutions, right, which are basically separate ledgers that you can use, or sort of they're separate, and then they somehow make their state known back to the layer one for settlement every now and again. The layer two solutions are, you can broadly split them up into three categories, right? State channels like Lightning Network, Plasma on the EVM, and Hydra. Now, Plasma, just as a little side note, state channels don't work that well on EVM because of the global state and everything. We don't need to get into that, but there is a solution, but it doesn't work that well into EVM, because I got this question in Singapore. Why did you guys build on Cardano? And it's like, well, Cardano is really, really uniquely suited for this kind of thing. So it's really something that we don't have in the.
Is that the UTXO model? Is that?
Yes, yes, it is. So state channels is one. Rollups is another one. So you have ZK rollups and optimistic rollups. I know that the Anastasia Labs team are working on this on the Cardano side to make an optimistic rollup. I believe the ZK Fold team is working on a ZK rollup as well. And again, these are like having second mover advantage and the EUTXO model to work with gives us a really, really good edge in the Cardano space for these layer two, like the rollup space. And the third one is, the sidechains business, or what we, the partner chains, sidechain kind of thing, where it is a technically a separate chain that has its own sort of consensus model and everything, but it is connected to Cardano or this layer one in a way that is sort of, unidirectional. So the sidechain can watch or observe the settlement layer or the layer one in question, but it is technically able to operate on its own as well. So Midnight would be an example of that.